In this video, we listed the 5 best printers for small business that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HP PageWide Pro for 77DW. The HP 477DW D3Q20A is a versatile all-in-one office printer designed to enhance productivity for workgroups of 3 to 10 users. Featuring advanced connectivity technology via USB, this inkjet printer supports fast color printing with a maximum speed of 25 pages per minute and an impressive monochrome output of up to 40 ppm. It includes a range of special features such as an auto document feeder, wireless printing, AirPrint compatibility, and a user-friendly 4.3-inch color touchscreen. Security is prioritized with a PIN entry system for confidential print jobs, while cost efficiency is achieved with a total cost of ownership up to 20% lower than many competitors. With the capability to deliver the first page in just 6.5 seconds and HP PageWide technology ensuring reliable performance, the 477DW is an ideal choice for businesses seeking efficiency and quality in their printing solutions. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR7520. The Canon PIXMA TR7520 is a compact all-in-one inkjet printer designed to meet a variety of home office needs, including printing, scanning, and faxing. With a sleek black design and weighing just 17.3 pounds, it easily fits into any workspace. This printer boasts a maximum print speed of 40 pages per minute for both color and monochrome outputs, ensuring efficient performance. It features a 5-color individual ink system that produces vibrant documents and offers multiple connectivity options, including built-in Wi-Fi, AirPrint, and the Canon Print app, allowing users to print effortlessly from their devices. The output tray can hold up to 100 sheets of plain paper and is compatible with various photo paper sizes. Intuitive features like a 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen, a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, and an auto power on/off function enhance usability, making the PIXMA TR7520 an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile printing solution. Number 3. Brother MFCL 2750DW. The Brother MFCL 2750DW is a robust monochrome laser printer designed for efficiency and productivity in any office environment. Weighing 26.5 pounds and measuring 15.7-inch dx 16.1 wx 12.5 h, this printer features both wired and Wi-Fi connectivity options, making it versatile for various setups. With a maximum print speed of 36 pages per minute, it ensures quick document processing. Special features include auto duplex printing, a user-friendly touchscreen display, an automatic document feeder, and network readiness, enhancing its functionality for busy workgroups. The MFCL 2750DW is compatible with Brother Genuine TN730 standard and TN760 high-yield replacement cartridges, and it offers the Refresh EZ print subscription service, allowing users to save up to 50% on toner while enjoying a 4-month free trial. This combination of features and cost-saving options makes the MFCL 2750DW an excellent choice for efficient, high-quality printing. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025. The HP 9025 Advanced is a versatile all-in-one inkjet printer designed to meet the demands of both home and office environments. With a sleek white and gray design and weighing 25.65 pounds, it offers multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, ensuring seamless integration into any network. This printer delivers impressive color output with a maximum print speed of 20 pages per minute and monochrome printing at 24 ppm. Notable features include auto duplex printing, a single-pass 2-sided automatic document feeder, and the ability to scan directly to email, making it a powerful tool for productivity. Additionally, it supports cloud printing and allows users to print images directly from a USB drive. With optional HP high-yield cartridges available, the 9025 Advanced combines efficiency and convenience, making it an excellent choice for users seeking reliable and high-quality printing solutions. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. The HP Old version is a feature-rich all-in-one inkjet printer designed for small businesses and home offices, offering reliable performance and professional quality color output. This grey printer combines wired and wireless connectivity options, including dual-band Wi-Fi with self-healing capabilities, ensuring a stable connection. It boasts a maximum print speed of 22 pages per minute for monochrome and 18 ppm for color, making it efficient for various printing tasks. Key features include a 2.7-inch touch screen, a 250-sheet paper tray, double-sided scanning, and an automatic document feeder, enhancing its usability. With the activation of HP Plus, users receive 6 months of ink through the Instant Ink Delivery service, along with access to advanced mobile printing and security features. Recognized as the best all-in-one printer by Wirecutter in March 2021, this device also includes essential security measures to protect sensitive data. Overall, the HP Old version is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and efficient printing solution.